In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Ubuntu Server in VMware. Myself Mohammed Zubair, and let's get started. Well, to install Ubuntu Server, first of all open your VMware and from there click on Create a new virtual machine. After that, click on I will install the operating system later option and click on Next. Now select the operating system type. After that, click on its version. I'll go with Linux and the version will be Ubuntu 64-bit because I'm using 64-bit machine at the moment. After that, click on Next and now you have to name your server. I will name it as Ubuntu Server. After that, this is the directory where my Ubuntu server will get installed. I'll go to D directory and I will create a new folder for that and I will name it as server. After that, click on OK and now you just need to click on Next. This is the space that you will be giving to your Ubuntu server. I'll go with 30 gigabytes, while 20 is enough. I'll click on Next now and from here click on Customize Hardware. From here, in terms of RAM, I'll give it little bit more than 5 gigabytes of RAM. After that, in terms of processors, I'll go with 3 of them and then click on this new CD DVD option and from here click on Use ISO image file. After that, click on Browse and go to the directory where you have downloaded your ISO file for your Ubuntu server. I will go to my directory. This is my live server file. I will just double click on it and I will just click on Close and now click on Finish. So we are done with setting up everything and now we just need to start our Ubuntu server. So select your machine and then click on Play Virtual Machine or click on this Start button. I will just click on it and now the process will just begin. Here it is starting the installation process and now we just need to customize our Ubuntu server as per our liking. So we will wait for it so that we can do everything as it requires. So now we just need to select our language. I'll go with English, hit enter. From here, layout will be in English and variant will be in English. I'll go with the same options, so I will just hit enter. Leave everything as it is and just press enter. Now here, you can add your proxy address or you can leave it. I will leave it as it is. I will just hit enter now and I will just hit enter again. And now it is asking if you want to use the entire disk. Yes, I want to use the entire disk. That is why I will just head down and I will just hit enter on my done button. And from here again hit enter and leave everything as it is. Click on continue and from here give the name. I will name it. After that give the name to your server. I will name it as well. And now you have to pick a username and I will use a username as well in here. Well, the server name will be the one that our server will be using when it will connect with other servers or infrastructures, and that name will be presented over there. After that, you have to set your password. I will enter my password and now just hit enter. If you have Ubuntu Advantage token, enter it, otherwise leave it and hit enter. And now, if you want to have OpenSSH server included into your Ubuntu server, just press space and after that head down towards the done and just hit enter. From here, leave everything as it is and I will just go to my done option and I will hit enter. And now the installation process has just begun. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete the process. So I'll get back to you as soon as it is done. So we are done with the installation and now we need to reboot our system. So I will just go with reboot now option and now our Ubuntu server will reboot and now I'll show you if it is running or not. So now I need to enter my username and now I need to enter my password. Hit enter and we have successfully logged into our Ubuntu server. And now let's see some status of our system. So I will write here systemctl, hit enter. So these are some of the things that are available in here. And now let's check the IP address of our system. So I will write here ifconfig, hit enter. So here we have some of the information. We have 127.0.0.1 and netmask is 255.0.0.0. So now I'll update my Ubuntu server. So I will write here sudo apt update, hit enter and now it will update our Ubuntu server and it has been updated and we just need to upgrade it and everything is set. And this is how you can install Ubuntu server in your VMware. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.